Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a fingerprint on Oppo A17. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here go down and go to password and security. And here we have fingerprint. Just press on this and you need to set a lock screen password first. Just press continue. I will set up a pattern and now I will draw my pattern and again. Okay, and now you need to place your finger on the sensor, and the most important part, the sensor is here on the power on button. And now let's do it. And now you need to enroll fingerprint edges. And now everything is done. Just tap here on done. And you are recommended to also enroll your face and use face unlock. I will do this later maybe. And now let's lock the screen and see how it's working. And now it's locked. Okay, and to unlock with your fingerprint, just place your finger here. And as you can see, it's working very well. Let's do it again. And again. And it's working well. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.